Welcome back to the channel. Today it's a 2026 M2, the G87, finished in Brooklyn Gray. And we got some special things on this one. Let's begin up front with our headlights. So this one has a lighting package. The one way you can tell is the daytime running light runs all the way across the light, single headlight in each of the units. Shell lights by default, and then cornering out there in the corner. Grille blacked out M2 badging, outlined in silver, really nice touch. You can see a wide open grille here, the radiator, and you'll note it doesn't have protection on it for the most part. If it's a manual transmission, there'll be some like black plastic and square designs all the way across for protection. It doesn't occur on the manual transmission. And you'll note this one has the carbon fiber front splitter. You can see it'll flex up over here for airflow. And obviously the M2 CS doesn't have a carbon fiber front splitter. It has a plastic or rubber one. Yeah, rubber one. Moving on the side, style. 930Ms in black. We have the M compound brakes with the red calipers and floating center caps, and tire lottery win with a Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss. Let's take a step back. So this car was originally a customer ordered unit, and they backed out, which is when I added, you can see the carbon fiber flow-through spoiler there, which hasn't appeared for US market ordering, I don't think ever, until very recently. So out back, your tail lights, and then carbon fiber splitter, and carbon fiber flow-through spoiler. So very different than the one that is on like the M3 or the M4, and very different on the one that's on the track package, which isn't available yet for the US market. I believe that's going to be for model year 27 M2s. We have black M2 badging outlined in silver. And our standard quad exhaust with our standard diffuser in high gloss black. It's more of that flow-through spoiler. So the spoiler, or the wing I should say, that's available on the track package is from, let's see, M2 Racing and modified from the M4 GT4. It's adjustable. It looks really cool. Happened across one at Le Mans and didn't realize it was a track package until I got back. But hopefully I'll have a little quick video of that eventually. There's that side profile of Brooklyn Gray on the M2. Let's get inside and go over pricing and options, and you'll note no carbon fiber roof on this one. You see the moonroof there. Again, a no cost option on the M2. So standard on the M2, the carbon fiber roof is optional, a paid option on the M2. So we have the black Vernasca leather with the M highlights, or M color highlights. So door card, plastic up here, maybe some leather around the grab handle, illuminated M trim here, scratchy black plastic down below. And your standard seats on the M2. M2 badge there that lights up on the head restraint. M colors around the head restraint and shoulders of the seat. Down below, adjustments for side bolster and lumbar support. Manually powered crumb catcher. M2 badging here on the door sill. So in front of me, your standard M steering wheel, flat bottom, M badging, M stitching. Left-hand side controls here for cruise control. Red M1 and M2 buttons for your personalized setup settings. Leather for the airbag cover, and carbon fiber insert here for the wheel trim. Red stripe at the 12 o'clock. In front of me, iDrive 8.5, the M version in M Mode Sport. Head-up display, optional. The rest of the curved display. An upper dash in hard plastic. Then carbon fiber trim here in the center dashboard area, leading to your vent controls. And then more carbon fiber trim here in the central console, covering up 12-volt socket, 2 cup holders, USB-A port, and wireless charging tray there. And your gear selector, embossed M emblem here in leather in M colors around the side there. Red start-stop button, iDrive controller knob. And then center storage area has a USB-C charging port. All right, let's talk pricing. So starting price, the 2026 M2 is $69,000. Metallic paint is another $650. Leather included, $650 for the lighting package. Then carbon fiber trim for $800. $200 for the parking assistant. $1,100 for the head-up display. And here where the pricey options come in. So the front splitter in carbon fiber is $3,035. You got large format matte, floating center caps. The flow-through spoiler is another $35.95. $310 for the M Performance floor mats. All told, MSRP of this particular example just a little over $81,000. And here is your estimated fuel economy for the M2. All right, so more of that moonroof. And let's go. All right, let's try to get in the back seat. So getting in, pull this little lever. Seat will slide forward a little bit. And here, got room for 2 more passengers in the rear compartment, but it's not a lot of room. And here's a view of the cockpit from the back seat. Mirror shade open. Out back adjusted vent controls. New legroom, it's okay. Of course, the problem here is headroom. All right, let's move to the back here. Let's take a more of this carbon fiber flow-through spoiler. It's been available in other markets. It's just been a long time for it to arrive as a port-installed accessory. No kick to open, no power tailgate on the M2. But here is the cargo area, pretty good size. Also fold down the rear seats for even more room. Let's close this up. Let's make our way to the front. We're taking more of this M2. I think it looks pretty aggressive with the spoiler. The M2 with the track package wing looks really incredible. All right, so here's the S58 inline-6 3-liter turbo engine. The M2 with the automatic ZF8 or ZF8 transmission. It's 473 horsepower and 443 torques. So plenty of power on this M2. But that's it. We'll see you at the next video.